Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got my new wheels and tires in on my car. I got the Forgestar F14 drag wheels with some Nitto NT05 street tires, I guess you could say. They're not the radials. So far they're hooking up really good. I've got some driving time on them. Pretty much broke them in at this point. And it's doing really good in terms of like pulling in second gear. First gear still chirps a bit, but so far so good. I mean, those are the 17-inch Forgestar F14 wheels. They're gunmetal gray, so say 17 by 10.5 inches. So I still have the stock SVT wheels on the front for now, until I can get the complementary Forgestars in the front, and run some smaller tires on those. But for now, what I'm dealing with is something very fun, I guess you could say. I have the dreaded TPMS sensor issue, but fortunately for me, I thought this through, and when I did order the F14 drag wheels from American Muscle, I added the TPMS sensors, so they mounted and balanced the tires on the wheels, installed the TPMS sensors for me. I also bought the device here, TPMS transmitter tool, to resync it with the computer. Looked up the video here to see how to do it for the S197 Mustangs, and I found one from LMR and CJ Pony Parts, and I pretty much got the gist of it here. What you want to do is turn the ignition key in the off position, so that's a good start to do. Let's do that. What you want to do is press and release the brake pedal as the second step, so I'm just pressing it in down with my foot and just letting off of it. And then you want to cycle on and off 3 times, so on, off, on, off, on. Press and release the brake pedal, and then turn the key back to off, and then cycle it on, off, on, off, on, off, and leave it on. Alright, you'll hear that honk sound, which is what you want to do, or that's how you know you did it right. And then you'll see on your heads-up display here what you need to do, which is train the front driver's side tire first, then the front passenger side tire, my bad, and then the rear passenger side tire, and then back to the driver's side one. And you do this, that you're going to take a lovely sensor, get your butt out of the car, and go up to the valve stem here. Take the sensor. There's an arrow on the actual thing where to point it to. Just point it at it and hold the button down. And when it honks like that, you know one of them worked. We're back over to the passenger side here. You want to kind of get closer. And go back to this one over here in the back. And then we'll come back over here to the driver's side. Put it right up to here. And when you get back to the car, heads up display should say training complete, like it does here. And you should be all good. Some things to note though, for people who have questions about this. From the information I got online from CJ Pony Parts and LMR, it looks like Ford introduced the valve stem style TPMS sensors in 2010. Prior to that, the first release of TPMS monitoring was in 2007 on the 07 models, but that was in a band style setup, meaning like there is an actual band going around the wheel itself with the TPMS sensor mounted to it. So in 2010 they introduced the actual valve stem sensor style, where it looks kind of like a, I don't know what you could say, kind of looks like the end of like what is it, the dipstick for your oil, where you can have, there's 2 prongs where you can wrap your fingers around, and then the end coming out of it. So for any of the 07 to 09 guys, because mine's a 09 GT500, I just ordered the 2010 newer style TPMS sensors that they mounted in, to avoid doing the band ones, and they are compatible. They will work, so no need to fear or dread if you accidentally buy the wrong sensors. You can use either or, preferably the newer style ones, and then you can sync them up with your system and have have a good time, and not have to go to the tire shop and have them do all this for you. And you can literally just buy this. It's universal with all the models, and just do the training. There is different training styles though. This video itself is for specifically the S197 model. Alright guys, so it looks like we're all set here for the TPMS relearning process for my S197 Mustang, specifically a 2009 GT500. Converted over from the band style TPMS sensors to the newer 2010 style ones, which does not have a band, using the production OEM TPMS calibrator tool. I picked it up from American Muscle. The relearn process was fairly easy. In the beginning of the video, I highly advise to pause and look at the steps that are listed on the sticky note. I had no issues following those steps after watching a couple videos, and you should be all set from there. We'll see how this goes. I think we're all set though. Leave any questions that you have in the comment section. I'll be sure to get back to you, or at least point you in the right direction. And yeah, hope you guys have a great day and good luck on doing this. And yeah, if you can, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.